So I am to calculate the pH, the pOH, hydronium, and hydroxide ion concentration of perchloric acid given its concentration of 0.00450 molar. So the way I calculated the pH is I use the formula of negative log times the concentration, which is negative log times 0.00450 molar. So that's why I set up the pH to calculate the pH. So let me use my calculator. So negative log times 0.00450. That should give me 2.347 for its pH. So right away, I can tell that this is going to be an acidic solution because it is it has a pH of 2.347, which is less than 7. So that is acidic. Next, I'm calculating the pOH. And it's very simple. The way that we calculate that is pH plus the pOH is equal to 14. So I can just do 14 minus the pH of 2.347. And that difference is going to give us the pOH. 2.347 is going to give us so for the pOH, the 14 minus the pH is going to give us 11.65 as our pOH. So now that we have both those, we can solve for the hydronium, use them to plug into the hydronium ion concentration and the hydroxide ion. So first the hydronium. So the way you calculate that is you take the antilog of the negative pH. So it's going to be 10 raised to the negative 2.347, which is our pH. So that's how I set that up right there. So our calculator, and it should give us, should actually equal our initial concentration that we're given. So 0.00450 molar. There. So we have that now, hydronium ion concentration. Now for our hydroxide ion. So for this one, it's the same concept. We're taking the antilog of the negative pOH. So it's going to be 10 raised to the negative 11.65. Right there. So once again, my calculator, 10 raised to the negative, or antilog button, 10 to raise to our negative 11.65 should give us 2.2 for sig figs, 2.2 times 10 to the negative 12 molar. So there we have it. Our pH, our pOH, hydronium, and hydroxide ion concentrations. And given our pH, we could determine that this is an acidic solution because less than 7.